So we have the homework 1 solution for problem 1. Part A, sketch the curves in the xy plane for which t equals some numbers. These lines of constant temperature are called isotherms. Explain how determined how to make the sketches. So first we have the function, and we have the function of t, which is x squared minus y squared. We solve for y, and we solve y for t at certain values. We get this equation here. When we plug in t, we get y equals these values here. When we plot this, we end up with this top graph here. And we have t equals -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. For part B, in the presence of a temperature gradient, heat flows in the direction of negative the gradient t. Use what you know about gradient of a function to sketch the directions of heat flow for a number of points on your graph. Approximately fly. So we have the negative gradient here, and we apply the gradient, or we apply the del operator, and we run through it, and we end up with a -2x I hat plus -2y j hat, and we end up with the second graph here. And when you plug in x values for a negative slope, you get a positive gradient. When you plug in values for a positive slope, you get a negative gradient. So you get perpendicular lines.